perhaps what did they mention to you as the reasons for this?
Actually, we met with two of the presidential candidates. Somehow, two of them are high profile. And we actually put questions across to them when we had this conversation. And at least from what they told us, even though we don't have magical powers to read their mind, but from what they told us, both of them are willing to first and foremost tell the people of Kenya that they will accept the results and they will make sure there will be no violence. They promised us that. And they have confidence in the electoral management body. Yes, there were issues 2017. There are issues concerning about security and so on. But on the average, they have confidence. And we believe that the elections will be interesting ones. They told us clearly that this time, which you journalists were living no more than me, they have moved the issue of campaign from ethnic issues to core issues of economic issues, issues affecting the ordinary people, not just about ethnicity and religion, and which is very good.